The 2022 Johor State election, formerly the 15th Johor General Election, took place on 12 March 2022. The election was to elect 56 members of the 15th Johor State Legislative Assembly. The previous assembly was dissolved on 22 January 2022. The state election was conducted in the midst of the 2020-22 Malaysian political crisis and the COVID-19 pandemic in Malaysia. The snap election was called prematurely after the government led by Menteri Besar Hasni Mohamad had lost a simple majority in the legislature, being left with a minority government of just 28 seats, above 1 seat against the 27 seats of the opposition following the death of Kempa's assemblyman and former Menteri Besar Osman Sapian on 21 December 2021 before the dissolution. The Sultan of Johor, Sultan Ibrahim Ismail, consented to the dissolution of the Johor State Legislative Assembly on 22 January 2022. The state election is the fourth election after the 2018 general election, resulting in the most amount of non-simultaneous elections between federal and state elections in a single 5-year term of parliament in the nation's history. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.